Marcus Adkins with Orlando Microgreens, and today in this video we're going to show you the True Leaf Market Hydroponic Microgreen Starter Kit. So stick around, we'll be right back. Okay, so we're pretty excited. We just got our box for our Hydroponic Microgreen Starter Kit. And this one has the 10 by 20 trays, so it's perfect for anybody who wants to feed a larger family, or if you want to just start getting used to or experimenting with growing in the 10 by 20 trays. And if you're already growing a lot, the reason why we also bought it is it comes with 6 2-inch 10 by 20 trays, perfect for blackout. So let's get it open and see what we have here. This comes with quite a bit of seeds. Got a water bottle. Nice. Got a pH testing kit. Right on. Put your instructions, very important. And then it comes with radish seeds. Comes with basic salad mix. Actually, it comes with 2 of them, so at about 1 ounce a tray, that's 8 trays of salad mix. So this feeds you guys a lot. That'd be 4 trays of radish. And then it's got spicy salad mix, so another 4 ounces, another 4 trays worth. Cabbage, red acre, it's definitely one that we're gonna grow today. We haven't grown that one. That's also 4 ounces. And then kohlrabi. Definitely something we've been, it's purple Vienna, another 4 ounces. So it comes with plenty of seeds. Now this is something we have not experimented with, so we're gonna see this out today. It does come with the hydroponic mats, BioStrate, Felt. And like I said, it comes with 6 trays. So you guys can grow easily 3 at a time with what comes in the box. So let's go ahead and get 3 of them together here. Get these mats open. Now in the instructions it says that you're gonna take the 10 by 20 and you're gonna put 1 cup of water in the bottom of the tray. And then you're gonna evenly spread the seeds. It says 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna go by about 1 ounce. I'm gonna pull my scale out and do this. And then you're gonna mist it with the water. It comes with the pH balance. We're gonna test the water and everything. So let's get this opened up. All right, so we just wanted to make sure the trays were clean. We went ahead and washed the trays, sterilized them, made sure they're nice and clean. Now the cool thing, it does come with 10 mats. We're gonna just use 3 of them today. Put these aside for the next time. Now, when you're using your water, you wanna make sure that it's pH balanced. And I know mine is. We always pH balance our water. It's filtered. I let it sit out uncovered for 24 hours. And then I pH balance it before I use the water for anything. This does come with a nice little test kit. It's got all your colors here to show you what colors you're looking for. And the back does have the instructions on it. Once you've tested your water and you've pH balanced it, if you use the same amount of water and the same amount of pH up or pH down or lemon or whatever you use to balance it, you won't need to test it every time, you'll know. So with this, you're supposed to go ahead and dip it in the water. Well, now we're gonna see where we are. That puts us at about a 6.5. That's perfect, that's where I like to be. You put one of the mats in the tray, you put 1 cup of water per tray. So put the water in first, then lay the mat in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and measure out some seeds. So we're gonna start out with this kohlrabi. This is the purple Vienna mix. So we're definitely excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 ounce. It says in the instructions 2 to 3 tablespoons. Since I know I'd use about 1 ounce of seeds for most things. And then that gives me, I know I can do 4 trays that way. So you just want to evenly spread the seeds across the whole medium. Just take the time. All right. And then it says to thoroughly mist the seeds with the spray bottle. That's where you get them all nice. Be careful, these guys are gonna try to run around on you, so do it from a distance. It'll help them stick in place too. Take the other tray after you've misted it, turn it over like that. And then you're gonna put it in an area out of the way, wherever you germinate your seeds. I usually do them on the top or the bottom shelf. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of our hydroponic microgreens starter kit from True Leaf Market. First one is our Kohlrabi. See how, oh, we do have some germination. Thing looks nice and even. I'm gonna spray it with the bottle that came with it. Just make sure everything's misted. You're gonna have to do this twice a day using a medium like this. So just gonna go ahead and cover it back up and do the same thing for the other 2 trays. So we'll check on that in a couple days and see how everything's coming along. We'll see you then. If you're enjoying this kit video, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment if you've ever grown with one of these kits or you've ever used this type of medium. Hey guys, so it is day 3 of our kit grow. We're gonna check on the Kohlrabi first and see how that looks. They're coming along pretty nice. I'm just gonna try to keep this side moist so they start germinating. We're gonna pull the other one out. So we'll just put them back in blackout. We'll check on them tomorrow morning. I'm pretty sure we're gonna put them in the light and we'll see you then. All right, so it's day 4 of our hydroponic grow kit from True Leaf. This is the Kohlrabi. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited about that. You just want to get that nice and wet. If you look at the mat, you can see it starting to soak up a little bit of the water. We'll see how this goes today in the light. All right, so it is day 5 of our hydroponic grow kits. And this is the Kohlrabi. Some of those are getting really long. These guys are doing really good. So I'll put those back under the light. We'll keep on checking on these from day to day and see how they're coming along. Day 6 of our hydroponic grow kit from True Leaf Market. Here is the Kohlrabi. That one's doing really well. Everything seems to be looking good all the way through. Even all the ones that were late on this one, they're all starting to sprout and catch up. Everything's doing fine on that. We'll check on it again tomorrow and keep you guys posted on how it's going. All right, so it is day 9 of our hydroponic kit from True Leaf Market. And this is the Kohlrabi. Wow, that is one healthy patch. These guys are doing really good. Day 7, you would start tasting these. So you can grow them anywhere from 7 to 14 days, and you can test them along the way and decide how much you want to use for your family at a time. So that's the greatest thing about it. You don't have to harvest the whole tray. So I hope you guys consider getting one of these kits. I think that you're gonna enjoy it. So it is day 10 of our hydroponic grow kit that we got from True Leaf. There is our Kohlrabi. That is turning out really nice. All right, let's see what we got. That's one of my favorite numbers. We have 112 grams. So overall, these things have grown perfectly. I can't be much happier with what we got out of those 3 trays. That's a lot for us to eat. And if you keep a close eye on them, you have a great harvest and you have a lot of great microgreens to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this kit video. There's a link in the description so you can purchase it. Now we do have an affiliate with them, so if you do purchase through our link, you will be helping us out. We do appreciate that. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. I will see you on the next grow.